In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to add your logo to the correct platform. Select your platform workspace. Go to the Aspect menu and choose Image Viewer to display the image viewer in your workspace. In the Image Viewer, click on the binocular icon, then select Open From to browse your computer and upload your logo. Review and adjust the file name. The file name of your image will automatically appear in the name field. You can edit it as needed. Specify the image format. In the Type field, enter the image format. Set the dimensions. Select the unit type, millimeters or inches, and enter the height and width. For example, you can use 20 millimeters by 80 millimeters. Deselect actual size to preview how the logo will appear on documents like invoices. Fine-tune the size. Adjust the logo dimensions until you're satisfied with its appearance. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Additional image viewer features. The Eraser tool offers two options: Clear Image, which removes the current image, allowing you to add a new one. This is helpful in managing multiple logos, such as DBAs. And Delete Image, which permanently deletes the selected image from the data store. Use the Find on Name search feature under the Find icon to look up saved images by name for reviewing or editing. With this feature, you can now easily add your brand's logo, bringing a personalized and professional touch to all your COR reports.